Hi, welcome to Healonhigh. Today, we are going to talk about how the food you eat affects your brain health, the science behind nutrition and cognition. Every bite you take doesn't just fuel your body, it rewires your brain. From memory and mood to focus and long term cognitive health, the food you eat directly influences your brain structure and function. But how does this happen? Let's break it down scientifically. The brain, a high energy, high maintenance organ. Your brain, even though just 2% of your body weight, consumes 20% of your daily energy intake. Unlike other organs, the brain lacks energy reserves, meaning it depends on a steady supply of nutrients from food. The type and quality of this fuel determine how efficiently neurons communicate, form connections, and maintain cognitive function. Macronutrients and their role in brain function. Glucose, the brain's primary fuel. The source for this glucose are whole grains, fruits, and vegetables. Provide a steady release of glucose. Why does this matter? The brain needs a constant supply of glucose to maintain focus and mental clarity. Processed sugars causes spikes and crashes, leading to fatigue, poor concentration, and brain fog. Omega-3 fatty acids, the brain's building blocks. The sources are fatty fish, walnuts, flax seeds, egg, and other good oils. Omega-3s are essential for neuronal membrane integrity, synaptic plasticity, and reducing neuroinflammation. If it is deficient, low omega-3 levels are linked to cognitive decline, depression, and impaired memory formation. Amino acids, the neurotransmitter regulators. You can get it from egg, dairy, meats, and legumes. Amino acids from protein break down into neurotransmitters, the chemicals that control mood, motivation, and cognition. For example, tryptophan, found in turkey, bananas, and nuts, is a precursor for serotonin, the happiness neurotransmitter, otherwise called the happy hormone. Antioxidants, brain protection against aging. You can get it from berries, spices like turmeric, cinnamon, green leafy vegetables, fruits, and nuts. Neurons are highly vulnerable to oxidative stress, which accelerates aging and neurodegenerative diseases. Antioxidants neutralize free radicals, reducing the risk of cognitive decline in diseases like Alzheimer's. Do you know about the gut brain connection? How food affects mood and memory? Let's see. The gut and brain are connected via the gut brain axis, with 90% of serotonin, the mood regulator, produced in the gut. Probiotics, the fermented foods, promote a healthy microbiome, reducing anxiety and depression. Fiber-rich foods like vegetables, whole grains, fruits, and legumes support your gut bacteria, which in turn enhance brain function and emotional stability. The long-term impact of food over the neurodegenerative diseases. Diets rich in trans fat and processed sugars increase the risk of neuroinflammation and cognitive decline. The Mediterranean diet, rich in omega-3s, antioxidants, and healthy fats, is linked to better cognitive function and a lower risk of nerve diseases. Fasting and ketogenic diets also show some promise in enhancing brain energy metabolism and neuroplasticity, but it should be considered with a doctor's consultation. Your brain is shaped by what you eat, literally, from sharper thinking to emotional stability and long term cognitive health. Your diet plays a crucial role in how well your brain functions. So, what will you choose today? Fuel for focus or a recipe for brain fog? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Heal on High for more health insights. See you in the next video.